everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are sort of doing an unboxing, but full disclosure, I already did unbox this because it was perishable and it had come very late at night and I had to get it open and get it into the freezer. But I saved the box and I put everything back inside so I can show you exactly what I got. This is First Light Wagyu steak order from Thrive Market. I did pay for this order. This was not given to me to review, but there is a link down below if you want to get 25% off your first order with Thrive Market. It's really great for pantry items, and I'm really happy with what we got here. So I'm going to show you what it is. We've talked about grass-fed meat before. This is Wagyu beef, and it's all grass-fed, non-GMO, certified humane, 100% grass-fed. And we've tried Seven Sons and have been very happy with their meat. We have tried the Butcher Box, and while we absolutely love their pork and their thick-cut bacon and their scallops, we're not so much of a fan of the Butcher Box's beef. And I keep trying it because they did send me some more to try. And I keep trying it and I just don't like it. It's very gamey. And what I've learned is that the kind of grass that you feed the cattle actually makes a big difference in its flavor. So that's probably why I prefer Seven Sons. And I thought we'd give this a try. Now, I got this on sale. This is, I think, and they don't have it listed here, I think this is the steak sampler. So we got a couple different cuts, and it was $179, and it shipped for free with 15 pounds of dry ice, and it all arrived safely and in good condition. And I since put it away in the freezer, and we've since tried the filet mignon. So I'm going to tell you about that when I get to it. This is a strip steak. It is 8 ounces, and they give each cut of meat a grade. So from light to rich, and this is, it doesn't say. Now, I'm a little confused here because they say that they give each cut of meat a grading of light to rich based on this scale, but I don't see that anywhere on here, and I'm sure I'm just missing it. I mean, all these look exactly the same, so I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. And you know what? I didn't even notice this until right now. But I don't see where they put the grade on the package. So I'm not really sure about that. I'm confused. If you know where they put the grade on the package, let me know. I mean, they have a chart on the back, but I don't see where they've graded this on the package. I'd actually really like to know. I mean, I think it's really great that they say they do that, but I don't know where that is. Okay. They give you cooking instructions on here, and this is all from New Zealand. The beef is from New Zealand. And if you want to learn more, you can go to firstlightfarm.com, and I think I'm going to go there too and try to figure out this meat grading bit. But the only place I know that you can get this from is Thrive Market. Anyway, this is the strip steak. It is 8 ounces. This is the ribeye. This is also 8 ounces. Yeah, I'm not seeing where they put this grade. The top sirloin, this is 8 ounces. And these are all used by of June 26, 21, and it comes frozen, if I didn't say that already. Top sirloin. And this is another top sirloin. And they don't put the exact weight on here, so I think the 8 ounces is an average. But that's half a pound of meat, so that's a lot. Now, this is what we've tried already. This is the filet. And this is why I wanted to see where they put this grade, because this was very, very rich. And we tried this. And so we got 3 of each of these steaks. And we've tried this one already. It was extremely rich, but very good. And not at all gamey like the meat from the butcher box was. And I actually had the butcher box burgers the other night for dinner. Still not liking them. I keep trying to like it, but it tastes very gamey. It tastes like venison or something. I don't know. I don't care for it. But grass-fed and finished beef does not have to taste gamey, guys. Just so you know. Like, you don't have to accept that. If that's what you think grass-fed meat is, you don't have to accept that that's true. So, depends on what the cattle are fed. What kind of grass. So, this is ribeye. So, that's the second ribeye. And the filet mignon is 6 ounces, while the other steaks are 8 ounces. And this is another top sirloin. And another ribeye. And another strip steak. And another strip steak. So we got 3 of the filet. I can only show you 1 because we've already eaten the other 2, and they were very good, but very rich and not at all gamey. We got the New York strip, 3 of those, which I've showed you. We got 3 of the ribeyes, which I've showed you, and 3 of the top sirloin. So we got 12 steaks for $179. Let me know what you think about that. Leave me a comment down below. This is grass-fed and finished 100% Wagyu cattle from First Light, from a farm in New Zealand. So let me know what you think of that. Let me know if you really like, if there's somewhere where you really like your beef to come from. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I'd love to try it. Right now I'm pretty stocked up, but when we run out, I will give it a try. And remember, I have my programs, which are healthy eating programs that you can lose weight on if you're looking to do that for the new year. I have my 10-day detox, which is a great way to kickstart your diet. I also have my 28-day transformation, and there's a link in the description down below where you can go to all my programs. I also have my freebies for those of you that maybe aren't ready to invest in a program. That's okay too. I have a 5-day sugar detox and lots of other free stuff there. Just go to amyrica.com/freebies and take a look. You can get as many of those things as you like. You don't have to pick just one. I hope you like this video. I hope that you'll consider downloading one of my free programs or joining me on one of my paid programs. All my programs are based on portion size and organic eating. So they're not calorie counting. There's no processed foods, packaged foods. It's all really healthful eating that can also help you lose weight. So if you want to get started on a new nutrition plan and you want to work with me, this is your opportunity to do that. I'd love to see you on board. If you like this video, hit the like button and remember to subscribe with that bell turned on so you never miss a video. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Bye.